it's our wedding anniversary today. Happy wedding anniversary. You guys, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. This is episode 3 of Goa series. If you're new, please do subscribe and join my YouTube journey. We are staying at Hotel Bela in Panji, and the Miramar beach is just 2 minutes away from this hotel. What a view. Plan is to go to Fonte Street in Panji. It's the Portuguese street colored with vibrant colors of buildings, just like how you see in Pondicherry, right? French colony kind of. And we had gone there last year, so I'll leave a link in the I button if you want to check that last year's extensive vlog. Let's begin the video. This is my outfit. For the same to our Udaipur, Rajasthan trip. Same thing, recycling. And Guruji is this wearing this ABCD t-shirt, ABCD shirt, and cream white pants, and ABCD shirt. And after too much circus, we finally reached Fonte Street. Took us 30 minutes almost because we lost way 3-4 times. Now I finally tell you what is the way to find Fonte Street. Put 31st January Bakery on Google Maps, and that will take you to Fonte Street. To come here, this is Confectionery 31 de Janeiro. This is 31st January Bakery. This is Fonte Street. Oh, Angapura Kallal me. We clicked pictures here last time, no? This is so beautiful. We have to come here for aesthetics. So beautiful it is. We are not getting over clicking pictures. Gorgeousness of this place. Every spot is Instagrammable.
I'm going to have so much fun.
Every spot here is Instagrammable.
It's a nice view, no?
Beautiful place this is. 31st January Bakery. Very beautiful. Oh God. I can't get over this. Wow. You should definitely visit here. And it's our wedding anniversary today. Happy wedding anniversary.
Happy wedding.
Oh, nice. Oh, we are spending it here. We just came here to click pictures. We didn't buy anything in that 31st January Bakery. Last time we had tried it, we didn't know what to eat. Also, it was costly kind of. So you can try cupcakes maybe if you're interested, but it's all too expensive. So see these kind of streets, these kind of streets, colorful, bright, colored walls. That's very nice to see. See, these are people's houses, okay? So be careful when you click pictures in front of the houses. See, they have written here, avoid, no standing here, no standing here, don't click pictures here. Because people will be concerned about their privacy and all that, so be careful when you click pictures around. These are the streets you must visit in Goa. Fonte Street. Put 31st January Bakery and you will find the street. It's adjacent to this. This house is so beautiful, bro. See. Chanda is here. Chanda, hi Chanda. We found Chanda in Goa. Our Chanda is in Goa. Chanda is vacationing. Goa. What are you doing, man? Chanda here. See, there are so many cafes and all. Casa Cafe. We can try these out maybe. See, so many restaurants and cafes around. You can just keep walking around the street. These are beautiful buildings and beautiful roads. The Instagrammable spot is this Cafe Morango. Put one is 31st January Bakery, put that location. 31st January Bakery as one location, second is Cafe Morango. Put this as second location. Both are very good Instagrammable spots. This road, walk down that street and you can click pictures, very nice pictures and videos everywhere here. And here you have this old bar called Joseph Bar. This is pretty famous, it seems. See, beautiful photos you can take here. How gorgeous this is. Clicking pictures. It was very nice. Very nice. Very nice vibe. And very beautiful pictures you can click here. Definitely plan to come. Amazing place. Fonte Street. And then there's that church also in Panji where you can click pictures. That was where Singham movie was shot. So now the plan is we'll go back to room and check out the room. 12 o'clock is the checkout and it was actually 11. We requested him for 12 and then the plan is to go to Anjuna. We have booked another room there, so we'll be staying in Anjuna for next 2-3 days. So it's going to be Anjuna in the afternoon. Well, I'll miss Panji. I really liked Panji too. Last time we didn't stay in Panji, no? This time Panji is also very happening, very nice place. Yesterday at 12 in the night we went outside and all shops were open. So many shops, cafes and all open. Very nice happening place.
The road is good. It's
Yeah.
like a city.
Yeah. Very
Like a
nice.
small city.
We enjoyed. Yeah.
Straight roads actually.
Yeah. Very nice vibe. So I really liked it. Yes. Now the plan is we'll go have lunch here somewhere around. We'll check out the room first. We'll have lunch and then go to Anjuna. Go to Anjuna.
We have our favorite restaurant, Art Juna.
Art Juna.
उसको पता नहीं था क्या खाना है, कैसा खाना है.
Yeah, all Mediterranean food. Okay, that hummus, pita, bread and all. I did not know how to eat. कहाँ से शुरू करें?
And her sister from Germany told I think what are those foods?
Sister-in-law. Pujuvani Sangilwa. Yeah. Pujuvani then told my sister-in-law from Germany, she told that, this is how you eat. Yeah, nice memory. Wow, nice. Another thing about Panji is there are a lot of Udupi hotels, pure veg hotels which you find in Bangalore, Udupi, right? Those kind of hotels, pure veg hotels where you can get thalis, South Indian thali, idli, dosa, vada. So we came to this restaurant around 4 kilometers from our Panji hotel, that is Siddhi Hotel, pure veg. Eating South South Indian thali in Goa. See various types. 130 rupees. This is 130 rupees. And we began our journey from Panji towards Anjuna. 40 minutes drive. He is driving and I am navigating. Me and my stupid directions, we lost way 2-3 times already. Correct, left. Yeah, right. Correct. Not right, left. Correct.
2,000 years later.
Thanks to my friend Abhishek Dubey and Rituparna Banerjee for suggesting this Tamarind Hotel. They said it's very good. They stayed here last week. They said the hotel is very nice, and based on their recommendation we came here. So thanks to them. This is the beautiful property. It's very nice. Oh, Ponusu pala. Devare. Hamchigele and Ponusu. ये क्या? इंसान के बैठने की जगह पे ये दोनों बैठे हैं. Very nice property. There in the evenings and all you can sit, see. This is the property, beautiful. Water is looking green though. No idea. The rooms are also beautiful. Thank you. Oh, there is a pool bar, it seems, over there. This is the swimming pool. That's the beach bed. They have first and second floors only. Very beautiful property. This is come out and sit here from the door. This room has something like this outside. Welcome to the Tamarind Hotel's deluxe room. TV first. There's a table, small fridge, beautiful bed. Oh, beautiful bed, beautiful lamp, nice bed. Wow, very nice property. And here bathroom. Huge ass bathroom. It's like a bedroom here. This is a basin and then commode and bath area. Open bathroom. यहाँ पे क्या? ये क्या है? Oh, maybe there was some sauna kind of, who knows? Oh, shower area. Close the curtains though. And what is this? Okay. Kind of pool view from the side. Nothing more.
The best part.
The best part is here. Woohoo! Mat, huh? Wow. Wow. This is amazing. Very nice. Superb. Worth every penny we paid. Every penny. This is a deluxe room, okay, and this costed 3,000, around 3,000 plus taxes. So for 2 nights it was 6,500. I loved it. Simply loved it. Beautiful. The Tamarind Hotel in Anjuna. Simply pleasing your aesthetics. Wow, 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 wow. And then we slept for some time in the room, and in the evening we went to Vegetor Beach Viewpoint. All of this coming in the next video. Please do subscribe for that. Also, here are some pictures which we clicked in Fonte Street, the Instagrammable spot. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, the beautiful Fonte Street and our hotel Tamarind in Anjuna. That's it for this video. Please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.